Hey everybody, I'm going to show you how to create a new workspace in Visual Studio Code. It's very easy, let's go. To do this, select File and then Add Folder to Workspace. Then choose any folder, click Add, then go to the folder and we see our new project in our workspace. Let's add another folder. Select File, then Add Folder to Workspace, select another folder, Add, and we have two folders with two projects. We see that our workspace is entitled Let's Fix It, choose File, and then Save Workspace As. Choose the folder, for example, VS Code Project, and rename it, for example, Workspace for Subscribers. Save, and we have the new name of our workspace. It's good. Next, how to close the workspace. For this, go to the File and then Close Workspace. Let's reopen it. Go to the File again, Open Workspace from File, go to the VS Code project, and we see our workspace for subscribers. Choose it and click Open, and we have our workspace. And now we can work with two projects. For example, if we want to go to the terminal, choose Terminal, then New Terminal, and choose Project for our terminal. For example, this, Run Console, and we have the terminal for Run Console project. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Have a nice day. Have a good coding. See you soon.